So we know the importance of O6. All right, time right now, 9:25, 5 minutes to open. Clean break of this low right here of 6 of 5. Then let's see where the price is gonna go. We're gonna bring down the support O6 all the way to O4. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so the O6, right? Break of O6. Then we know the price is gonna continue going to 496. Price just clean break O6. And we were expecting a little bit of reaction on 4. It doesn't matter. Clean break of O6 is gonna take it, right? So we're changing our hats back to bear, right? All right. As long as the price is below the O7, which is the high of the CPI, then bears are in control, and we're expecting a continuation all the way to 400. And but we all know, right, that this thing can easily, this could be a trap from the smart money, right? Well, we're gonna go with it. We have no choice but to trade what we see. We have no choice. Right, going all the way to 96. That's not gonna be a easy feast, but that's the first support. Okay, 90, 96. All right, so that break of 96, 96. Break of '07 gave us confirmation that the price was going to continue going all the way to 400. It just did to the tick, right? So we're up 7 points, and we want to remain bearish, expecting the price to go to continue going all the way to 96, right? So this is a normal bounce off of 400 psychological level, and then of course we know that '07 is used to be support, now it's resistance, and that we're expecting the price to recoil off of '07, from '07, right, all the way to the high 15. Okay, all this is an area of resistance. Okay, '07 and 15. So I'm gonna say it again. Okay, so we are currently short this pullback here, short 1820. Price goes to '05. We know '05 is support, becomes resistance, and we're looking to change hats back to bull because I am expecting eventually the price to go test the high 21, break it, and continue going all the way to 33. Alrighty? Okay, that's 33 right there. Okay. All right, so it's not gonna be a piece of cake. It's not gonna be a walk in the park, right? Because you can all see the action, right? You can all see the action. You know exactly what's going on here. So it's not gonna be easy. It's not gonna go any straight shot to 33. But as long as we don't take this new low right here, '05, price will go test the high, break it, and continue to 33. Alrighty? Okay. Okay. 96 and 95 are target one for the Bears. Right? 90. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it 95. Okay. 95 is target one. 95. It's gonna be easy. I don't think so. But that's target one for the Bears. Okay. So as long as the bearish setup short 18, right, that we're on, then our job is to let it ride all the way back to 400, expect the price to break it and continue to 95, and then we can get out 95, 400, this 5 point right And then we're gonna, like, the market is dynamic, we're gonna see how, if that happens, right? If that happens, then we're gonna see how it happens, and then we'll make a decision as to whether we want to change hats back to bull, right? Until that happens, we don't. So we're gonna bring 33 all the way, 4 points all the way down to 29. All right, so and a clean break of 90, 96. Price is going down 11 more points to 85. Okay. All right. So for for our current short position that we are holding, that we are expecting the price to go test 400 break and go to 96. This is target one, and now target two is 85. Clean break of 400. Price will continue going all the way to 96. Okay. And here it is. 96, target 1. 85, target 2. 98 quarter. Okay. Go taking a counter trend long below 96. It's gonna be a counter trend because the main play is that short that we took here, 1820, expecting the price to continue going all the way to 96, right? For 26 points, 24 points, 25 points. That's what we're looking, right, to make here on this first target. Okay. Of course, you can get out 96 400. We know that this is a no man's land here, 96 400, right? Look at that. It goes to right 97, 98, mid range, right? Between 96 and 400 was the mid range. 98. That's exactly where the price goes. So we are we're not surprised. We are expecting this reaction right here off of our mid-range 98. All right, so we get a, is that 96 a mistake? 96. Is that 96 to the tick? All right, target one officially reached. Yep. Right, 96, right? Yes. From 18, it's 22 points, isn't it? Yes. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, remember what I told you. Look at the reaction off of 96 to the tick, right? Counter trend long. Okay, clean break of 96. There's nothing stopping the price, in my humble opinion, to reach 85, 11 more points, right? That would, a clean break of 96, 95, would invalidate the counter trend line. All right? Make no mistake. The main play is still bearish, right? It's not going to be invalidated until one of two things happen. Price breaks the high, or I tell you that that play is no longer valid because of whatever reason I saw making this counter trend the main play. All right. All right. So price goes to 96. That's our counter trend long. 400 plus 4, 401 plus 5. Never let a winner turn into a loser. Stop break even. And we're going to now continue playing our short position because we only got out target 1, right? So now what are we gonna do with the main play? That we have a couple more units, expecting the price to break 96 and continue to 85. Stop break even, start right, stop break even, and we've been trailing the short, right? And now we are long 96, counter trend long, but that doesn't mean that we're gonna get all out of the main play, unless you want to, right? Because you don't want to deal with it anymore, right? Okay, right. So look at this beautiful pullback off of our 96 to the take, 10 points for the counter trend long that we took 96. That we've had it here for how long, mistake? Right? We've known about it for how long? Long time, right? Okay. So, 13, ladies and gentlemen, it's 13 is going to be the level that, if taken, then the beginning of the price, right? The main play changing. This counter trend loan that we are right here, 96, right? It's still a counter trend. The main plate is still short. Taking of this 13 now, so we're gonna be, of course, 13, 22, right? We're gonna be in a 9 point no man's land. But the taking of 13 right here, then it's gonna start giving us confirmation that the counter trend loan that we took 96 is going to become the main play. Therefore, we cannot afford to let this rally in a downtrend to take any more of our rest of the unit short, right? And then what's going to happen? Well, we know exactly what's going to happen, right? This counter trend is going to become the main play, and it's going to go just like I said an hour ago, right? It's recorded. It's right here. I'm recording this. It's going to test the high, 18, 22, shenanigan, break it, and continue to change it from 33 to 29. So 29 is target 2 for the counter trend long, and 13 is target 1. Alrighty? So it's just a matter of the management, right? So 13, it's target 1 for this counter trend long 96. And then we have target 2, 29, 13 to 29, a whole bunch of points. We know that 22 is a double top. All the teenagers are gonna short 22 in their demo accounts, right? So we're gonna pay it. Remember 19, right? Our initial short 18, 20. So we're gonna make it 19, right? All right. Let's see. All right, mistake. I believe that's 13 to the tick. Is it to the tick? Well, well, well. What do you know? All right, 13 to the tick. That's target 1 for this counter trend long 96. And you all know the rest. Okay, so 14 quarter, right? Okay, 14 quarter. So price goes, look at this. So price goes to our 13, cannot clean break it. Momentum takes it to 14, and it just cannot take it, right? All right, this is no man's land, anywhere between 13 and 22. And the counter trend, the counter trend long 96, target 1 for 13. How many points is that? It's like from 18 points. All right, so this counter trend gives us target 1, 18 points. It cannot take it. It's not a clean break. Look at it. Right? So the main play short 19, right? We're gonna call it 19. Keeps on going. For how long? Well, we're gonna have some shenanigans now here. Where? 7, 22, right? 7, 13, 22, right? And what time it is right now? 10:53. Okay, almost 11, and pretty much pretty soon we're gonna be going to phase 7 because we have to be grateful that on such a tough day like today, we've done so good. So first attempt, it tried to take our 13, cannot take it. Only momentum takes it to 14 quarter, and then pulls back and it goes, gee, oh 07. I wasn't expecting that oh 07 to not only for the price to go all the way to oh 07 on the pullback, but to hold two things, right? Now back to 13, same situation right now until what we are expecting to happen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So that's that's uh that's a that's a nice break, right? That's a nice break of the 14. Look at it, not looking back, right? So it goes, not looking back. So look at that. Every single bar is green. Boom, 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 boom. And gee, where does it find resistance? 19, our original entry short, the one that made the main play short, which price goes to 19, it cannot take it. Remember, it needs to take 22, right? Clean break, just like it took 13. Well, the price needs to take 22, exactly the same way it took 13 for the main play short 19 to be invalidated. We know that 1322 is going to be a great area. It took it. That's why we went long right here at 96 as a counter trade. And I've been telling you for 90 minutes that we're going to go long a counter trend because I'm expecting later on for the price to recoup, take the invalidate the main play, and it is the counter trend, the one that is going to be the main play because it's going to take some time, but it's going to take it and continue to 29 and 33. Price goes right here. This is the only setup that the teenagers on YouTube, all the fake gurus out there in YouTube, know. They call it an area of supply. They don't know any other setup. This is it. A double top. That's all they know. It's a self-fulfilling prophecy. The reason they know this is because they've seen it a million times after the fact, right? So we also know what a double top is, right? And that's why price is going to 20. Cannot clean take it, pulling back, and then our job is to continue managing our long position that we got our 13 target 1, and we are expecting a continuation all the way to 29.33. Time right now, 11:17. Is the price going to our 29.33 in one straight shot? I don't think so. So stop breaking, start trailing, let the price take your trail as long as the setup itself is not invalidated. Or I tell you to get out, keep on riding it. The store? Yeah, that's right. 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven is support as long as 7-Eleven is not taking. I am expecting a continuation to 29. 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven, right here. 7-Eleven. It's our main support. Okay? We don't want the price to take 7-Eleven. All right? As long as the price doesn't take 7-Eleven, we are on our way to 22. Shenanigans, break it, 29. Time right now, 11:22. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that's 22, right? Double top. Teenagers are going to try to go short here somewhere. They have no idea what the intention of the smart money is, in my humble opinion. Double tops work, yeah, 33% of the time. 33% of the time don't work, and the other 34% of the time, they hang around there, right? So double top, right? It's a destination. Depending on your position size, absolutely lock here 22, right? But make sure that you still have ammunition to go to 29. Official chop again. Now, well, it started 15 minutes ago. But remember what I told you, right? 11, 7, 11, 7, 11. Price goes to 07. Okay. And remember what I told you. Bulls are going to add to a winner beginning 11, or those who got all out, the double top 22, counter the counter from 22 all the way to 11, got out here 11. That's target one for the pullback. Added to a winner or establish a new position long, expecting still price to sometime today go to 29. And with that, my friends, I say it's been a terrific price action trading from our part because it was very difficult. Yet we managed to nail every single move. Remember, if it's not live, it's not real. As simple as that. See you all tomorrow. So, okay, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, our 7-Eleven working just dandy. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, our 7-Eleven working beautifully.